Welcome to our comparison video where we dive deep into the features and performance of two powerful graphics cards. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 EVO OC Edition and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 WINDFORCE OC SFF. In this video, we'll examine their specifications, cooling systems, and overall value for gamers. Let's find out which card comes out on top. The ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 features PCIe 4.0 and 8GB of GDDR6 memory, making it a solid choice for 1080p gaming. In contrast, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 boasts PCIe 5.0 support and a larger 12GB of GDDR7 memory, which is designed for higher resolutions and more demanding applications. This difference in specifications highlights the RTX 5070's potential for superior performance in modern gaming environments. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The ASUS RTX 4060 utilizes an Axial Tech fan design that ensures efficient airflow and quiet operation, especially with its 0 decibels technology. On the other hand, the GIGABYTE RTX 5070 features the WINDFORCE cooling system, which is optimized for small form factor builds, ensuring that it remains cool even under heavy loads. Both solutions are effective, but their designs cater to different user needs. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 is priced at $339, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious gamers. In contrast, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 comes in at $609, reflecting its higher specifications and performance capabilities. While the RTX 5070 offers more power, the price difference raises the question of whether the additional investment is justified for your gaming needs. In conclusion, both the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4060 and the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 have their strengths and weaknesses. The RTX 4060 is more budget-friendly and suitable for 1080p gaming, while the RTX 5070 offers superior performance for higher resolutions and demanding applications. Consider your gaming needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.